Saucy Sean here again, bringing you another review, kind of. I'm still trying to find a tortilla chip down here that I really like. Got the ones at home. Lost the name again, but really love them. And haven't found one here yet that I really love. Haven't tried that many either, but since my last review, I've tried a couple. I found one that was pretty good. But I was in Publix tonight, picking up a couple things, and I saw these ones. So this is Mission restaurant style thin and crispy with 4 simple ingredients made with sea salt by the seashore, maybe gluten-free certified. Ooh, a thin salsa verde recipe, a pico de gallo recipe. Mission tortilla chips in the original brown bag bring you the authentic Mexican restaurant experience. The Mexicans have these in Mexico? That's the real question. With a delicious corn taste and a satisfying crispy crunch, they're great for dipping, layering, or just by themselves. You can count on Mission tortilla chips. I say tortilla, tortilla chips to deliver quality ingredients and the amazing flavors you expect. So what's in here? Corn masa flour, water, vegetable oil, which is cottonseed, corn, and or sunflower oil, and sea salt. No artificial colors, ingredients, no preservatives. So, let's see what we have here. La Cocina, that's the ones from home I like. Oh, they're so good. So light and crispy. Who would have thought Mennonites and St. Anne, Manitoba would know how to make tortilla chips, but they do. Now, where are these ones made? I didn't check that. I can't see. Oh, made in? No. No. I don't know where these are made. Wow. There's scan for more. Oh, this is scan. There's a QR code to scan for more info, but you'd think they'd have to put down a little bit more. Mission Foods US. Interesting. Missionfoods.com. Might have to look them up. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're evenly shaped. That's okay. Plenty salty. They're not bad. They're not quite as light and airy as I like, but it's not bad. I also got some Tabla Fresca Farmstead Cantina style salsa, farm to table. Well, I can't read those ingredients. That's just not nice. Looks like it's made in Illinois. Let's see what it's like. Just felt like some snacks tonight. You know how it is. Every once in a while, you need to have a snack out. So, the chips are okay. Probably about a 7. 7.5 on a scale of 1 to 10. Not great, not horrible. This stuff smells interesting. No kick to it. I may have figured out my lighting problem. The lights directly above me are, as I think I said before, a really high color temperature, like 6,000 K. One behind me is probably at 2,700. And so I turned these ones off above me. And look, my camera isn't. Ooh. Salsa's okay. It's fresh. Eh. Yeah, it's just mediocre. Had better, had worse. I'll probably eat it. Anyways, that's all I had to say tonight. Hope you had a great time. Hope you enjoy watching these. If you have ideas, let me know what they are. Stuff you want to see me try. And yeah, please like, share, and all that fun stuff. Saucy Sean wishing you a happy day.